Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Dewalt DWHT10911 Spring Assist Opening Pocket Knife. And 3 things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. This is, well, I'll admit up front, I collect knives. This one's very interesting. It is got safety built into it more than what I'm used to with some of my other knives. And it's gonna be, I think, one you'll have with you for a while. So let's go ahead and go down the list. Thing number 1, it's a durable stainless steel blade, so it's gonna handle most of what you're gonna need. It's got, for maybe very small limbs, cutting through rope, it's got it's going to have a nice sharpness to it. Just keep the blade clean and maybe give it an oiling once in a while, and it will last you for a long, long time. Thing number 2, this securely locks into position so that when it's closed, that's going to go a long way into helping prevent injuries, cut pockets, cutting yourself, and that is becoming more and more important each day to me, because I've cut myself rather nicely on a few occasions, and I would like to be able to avoid that one. Thing number 3, it's got a built-in belt clip, which is going to make carrying easier. So you can either clip it on your belt, clip it in your pocket if you've got an EDC or everyday carry bag. Instead of just putting it in a pocket that mostly fits, you can use the clip to help hold it there. So that's well worth taking a look at. And thing number 4, and this is a bonus, this is a rugged knife when an ordinary knife simply won't do the job. So, I mean, I've got my favorite knives, but this one's getting into that list because I don't have to worry about getting stuck with it, and just be careful when you're using it. Because it's the one time you aren't totally paying attention, you will give yourself a nice cut that may involve a trip to the hospital. Be careful and just take it one step at a time. So take a look at this one. Think about getting one today. I think you'll be very pleased with it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.